Teckin Smart Plugs are Wi-Fi enabled devices that transform any regular appliance into a smart, remotely controllable device. The Smart Life app is your central control hub. Through this app, you can manage devices like lamps, fans, and humidifiers directly from your smartphone, no matter where you are. Voice control integration makes your smart plugs even more convenient. They work seamlessly with both Amazon Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to control your devices with simple voice commands. The core features include comprehensive scheduling and timer functions. You can set devices to turn on and off automatically at specific times, create custom scenes, and establish routines that fit your daily schedule. Technical requirements are straightforward. Teckin Smart Plugs connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The Smart Life app handles all setup and configuration, making the process simple even for non-technical users. Important notes about model variations. Older Square SP23 models included energy monitoring features that displayed live and historical energy usage. However, this feature isn't available in all current models. Additionally, since around 2020, converting these plugs to run alternative firmware like Tasmota has become difficult, making the official Teckin app necessary for operation. Teckin smart plugs are generally considered reliable and affordable options in the rapidly growing smart home market. The smart Wi-Fi plug market is projected to reach $30.5 billion by 2034, showing tremendous growth potential. The Teckin SP10 model is often highlighted as a very affordable option, making smart home automation accessible to budget-conscious consumers. These plugs offer good value with essential smart features at competitive prices. However, there are some important issues to be aware of. Some users have reported problems such as plugs melting or malfunctioning, and customer service has been described as problematic by some customers. Additionally, newer models cannot be converted to Tasmota firmware. When purchasing Teckin smart plugs, always ensure they include essential safety features. Look for flame-retardant materials and overload protection to prevent electrical hazards and ensure safe operation in your home. While Teckin smart plugs offer good value and reliability for most users, it's important to be aware of potential issues and prioritize safety features. Consider your specific needs and budget when choosing the right model for your smart home setup.